As we just mentioned, today is the start of the 2021 Atlantic hurricane season, and leaders from fire rescue to emergency management want you to prepare now so you're ready if a storm hits.
ABC Action News reporter Mary O'Connell shares the need-to-know steps you should take today and the technology in place to help keep your power on.
In Tampa today, a message to be ready.
It's been 100 years since this area has been directly hit by a major hurricane.
The official start of the Atlantic hurricane season is today. National Weather Service meteorologist in charge Brian Lamar wants you to prepare now.
And that was the last time a major hurricane hit, about 10 to 15 feet of water inundated where we're standing right now. So again, 10 to 15 feet of water. And that was a Category 3. So again, imagine a Category 4 or 5 impacting Tampa Bay. It would be devastating.
Lamar explained it's not too late to get your hurricane kit ready. There are also steps you can take to prep your home.
Secure outdoor furniture, any loose items, trim your trees. And of course, let's not use the trees as cover.
Duke Energy is preparing for hurricane season with self-healing technology. Imagine how your car's GPS reroutes you through a traffic jam. In this case, if something like a tree falls on a line, the technology allows the lines to reroute electricity.
What that means for our customers is it basically reduces the number of customers that are impacted by an outage.
The company explains the technology can help all year, even with thunderstorms. Duke Energy says right now, nearly 45% of its customers in Florida receive the smart thinking grid technology, with a goal to be at 80% by 2027.
In most cases, this technology happens faster than anybody ever knows that anything happens.
I asked Mayor Jane Castor if Tampa is well prepared if a major storm were to hit. She told me we are as prepared as we can be. But by prepared, she says that means not only officials, but residents too.
Everyone needs to understand their level of responsibility in being prepared for a storm and ensuring that they keep themselves and their families safe.
In Tampa, Mary O'Connell, ABC Action News.